Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम वीर won't be able to attend his class. उसके आई में थोड़ा सा पेन हो रखा है तो डॉक्टर has asked for rest. तो
Okay,
ये
ma'am. No problem.
ओके
Please take care.
ओके मैम थैंक यू सो मच.
Welcome. Yes, Nivi.
Ma'am, yesterday why didn't you send the dictation words?
Because uh, because no dictation words. Because Tuesday was a
Daddy just,
holiday.
Daddy just take it
See?
today.
No.
You're so.
Good.
You're
No,
so.
you don't like it, so it's good for you.
I do like dictations.
Then so see,
I
we
couldn't.
skip.
I couldn't even take the dictation for practice in my tuition because you didn't send it.
So tomorrow I will be sending you dictation for next week.
So next week, can't you just do it?
Next week is the last week before the vacation. Yes.
Yes. Yeah, and
You
then
know
I'll.
how many days are left for your vacation?
I don't know.
10 days.
Diwali vacation.
Yes.
So whole Diwali we get a vacation.
Yes. Like 15 days.
Woo! Yay! Yeah. Well, my sister's going to school, so. Oh. Well, she's still so. Well, she's still so lucky.
So when you get vaccinated, I hope after Diwali they give vaccination to all your kids so we can come to school.
Good morning, ma'am.
And
Good
after,
morning.
and I do not want any excuse. After everyone gets the vaccine, we are definitely starting school.
Yes, Janvi.
हमको राइट करना है.
Nine.
Okay.
Good,
Sorry, ma'am.
good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, children, let's start with the prayers. Yes. So today I think it is Dev's chance. Dev, can we start with the prayer? Okay, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Dev, let's start. Say thank you, God.
Thank you, God. So sweet.
Thank you, God,
So sweet.
for the birds that sing,
Thank you, God.
for the food we eat.
Thank you.
Thank you, God, for everything. Very good. Okay, Dev, tell me what is today's date? What is the date today?
Tuesday.
No.
Wednesday.
Yes, it is Wednesday, but date.
Date.
What is it today? It's 20 October 2021. Yes? Okay, fine. Uh, I'll just quickly take your attendance. Everybody is still not come. Still, let me take the attendance of children who have come. Okay. Okay, Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
Dev,
Smart.
very good. Henny, Henny is not there. Pritan,
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi,
Cute.
Jivansh is there. Jivansh, Nilansh, Veer Patel, Neeti Pipalia, I want your cameras on. Kyra,
Increasable.
What is that? Kaira, what word did you use? Okay. Krishiv,
Yes, ma'am.
Nilansh,
Present, ma'am.
Neeti,
Nice.
Nivi,
Clean.
Pahel. Where's Pahel? Pahel is also not. Preet,
Healthy.
Rajveer is there. Rajveer is also not there. Riyansh is also not there. Rudra,
Shiny.
Suhan, Suhan, Veer Patel, Vihan,
Few.
Diona, Viona, say yes or no, present or absent. Good. Jivansh and Suhan, I want your cameras on. Okay. So, children, in general awareness, we have studied. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So, what did we study? We studied about air, why we need air, and what happens if we don't get air. Yes, Nivi.
Ma'am, can you please share your screen?
Share my screen. Wait, I am still explaining. I am not showing anything. Okay. So we have studied air. What are the uses of air? What does air do? Yes. What is um, what is how does air work? Like air has space. Air has weight. Yes. Then air air takes space. It is transparent. You can't see air. You can only feel air. Yes. So now we will talk about air pollution. Okay, air pollution. You know what is air pollution? When the air gets dirty, that is called air pollution. So now, if you want to answer, you will raise your hand and you will tell me what are the different ways of air getting polluted. Yes. Yes, Nivi.
I actually have two options. From cars and from factories.
From cars.
And factories.
Okay, very good. From car also the smoke comes out and it pollutes the air, and even the factory smoke pollutes the air. Yes, Kyra?
Car and Activa.
Okay, those are scooters. Okay, fine. Yes, Ridan?
From dirty virus.
Dirty virus, the air gets polluted. Okay. And okay. Yes, Vihan.
Car and jeep.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now if see from vehicles it gets polluted with factory smoke, it gets polluted. Something, so we do something during Diwali by which the air gets polluted. Does anyone know what do we do? What do we do that the air gets polluted during Diwali? Yes, Nilansh?
A fulgari smoke.
Yes, that smoke from the crackers. Yes, Ridan?
Crackers.
Yes. Yes, Nivi?
Fireworks.
Yes. Yes, Kyra?
Crackers.
Yes. Yes, Vihan?
Treasures.
Very good. Yes, Sohan? Sohan?
No crackers.
Yes, very good. So yes, now we know that crackers, with crackers also air gets polluted. It gets dirty, which is very harmful. Yes. Yes, Shivansh?
Air.
What happened?
Air.
Air, but what air? Air gets polluted because of crackers, vehicle smoke, and factory smoke. Yes? Yes, Rudra?
Fire air.
Yes. Now we are going to see more reasons, or if there are more reasons. Yes? Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, ma'am?
मैम पहल के मॉम का कॉल आया था, उसका क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है और कोड मांग रहा है, क्लास कोड.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just mail her the code.
ओके.
Yes. Okay, children, just give me a minute. Pahel is not able to join the class, so just let me send her the code. Yes. Okay. I have sent her the link. Just let me know if she's able to join. Okay. Okay. So what is air pollution? Air pollution is when unwanted chemicals, gases, and particles enter the air and the atmosphere, causing harm to animals and damaging the nature cycle of the earth. Yes. So all these unwanted chemicals and gases which enter the atmosphere, which comes in contact with the atmosphere around us. The air around us is called atmosphere. It comes in contact and it is harmful for us human beings and animals and plants. Yes. Sometimes there are natural ways also where air gets polluted. Yes. So what are the natural ways? Natural, one of the ways is volcano. Then there is a storm. You know where when the storm comes, right? I think last month only one storm had come where the air was blowing. Yes, the wind was so fast. Yes. So those are storms. So dust storms, and sometimes the forest, because of lot of heat, the forest catches fire. Yes, the forest, it catches fire. So because of that fire also, the air gets polluted because of the smoke. Yes. So what are the natural ways? Volcanoes, dust storms, and forest fires. Yes. And you're supposed to learn this properly, okay? Because these questions are going to be asked in Google Forms. Yes. Now the next Google form after Diwali is not going to be very easy. Yes, it's going to be difficult. You need to read every PPT. Yes, properly in detail. Okay. Now there are human causes. Human causes, we only pollute the air. Yes, we only do it, and which is harmful for us. Yes. So what are the different activities which we do which causes air pollution? That is factories. Everybody knows, everybody said also factories, then power plants, then cars, aeroplanes. Yes, all these things, it causes air pollution. So burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gas. Because of this also air gets polluted. So what happens when there is air pollution? How it is harmful? Why it is harmful for us? So one type of air pollution in the addition of carbon dioxide gas into the air. Some scientists believe that releasing too much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere is one of the causes of global warming. So what is global warming? Global warming is, this is what is happening right now. There is, we don't have protection from the sun rays. The sun rays, when it falls on our face or any part of our body, it starts burning. Yes. So we are not, the protection layer on the earth is gone. There are holes in that. So we are not protected from the sun rays. Sun rays are, they are good in a way, but they are harmful also in a way. So all the seasons also changing. Anytime it rains, anytime it is very hot. Yes. So all these things are because of global warming, because there is too much carbon dioxide in the air. There has to be oxygen more, but now it is more of carbon dioxide than of oxygen. Why? Because of these vehicle pollution, factory pollution. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to show you a video. Okay. I will show you the video and explain. So don't ask questions in between. You can ask after I show you the video. Okay.
My job is to make college easier because students have a lot on Sorry, coach. Plates. Mike Harper, an econ major who piles on the pressure. Grammarly can help her stress less.
See, air pollution. See, it is harmful for the birds also. When the plane goes, it is releasing the smoke. The aeroplane is releasing all this smoke. It is harmful for the birds. Yes. See, all these factories, they also release these harmful gases. Yes, which goes inside the air and it pollutes the air. much of pollution, and this one plant is growing over here. This boy has got some idea and he's going to do something. See? So good. See, this thing is releasing carbon dioxide. So what does a tree do? Tree needs carbon dioxide. So it takes all the carbon dioxide inside and it gives out oxygen to us. So these plants are very, very necessary for our life. Yes, if we keep cutting all the plants, then we will also die. See, it is giving out oxygen, which makes the environment better. See, cutting down the trees. Now, all this carbon dioxide, where it will go? It will go in us only. Yes. Burning of wood, that is also giving out all the carbon dioxide. See the burning of fossil fuels. In the train, you need these coals. Yes, you need coals for the trains to run. See all the smoke coming out. See all these industries, factories releasing smoke. All this smoke is coming out from the factories, and it is again polluting the air. But there are no trees around to absorb the carbon dioxide and give oxygen. Yes. See, there is smoke coming out of the vehicles also, but there is nowhere that all this smoke and this carbon dioxide is absorbed. Yes, absorbed. See, due to cutting of trees, burning of wood, burning of fossil fuels, smoke released from factories and industries, smoke released from vehicles, our air is getting polluted. What is happening to the air? It is all getting polluted. It is getting all dirty. So due to air pollution, human beings suffer from number of disease, right? What do we suffer from? We suffer from asthma, then bronchitis. Bronchitis is a lung disease. Our lungs get affected. They become very, very dirty and they don't function properly. Yes? Then cancer, then skin diseases. See, firecrackers. See, the trees also die because of all these firecrackers. Yes. Air pollution causes damage to our beautiful historical monuments. This is Taj Mahal. You know, it was white. Now it is becoming yellow because of the air pollution. Because there is so much of pollution in the air. It has all become yellow. So what should we do to reduce air pollution? What is what can we prevent? What are the preventive measures we can take to reduce air pollution? Plant more trees. Avoid bursting firecrackers. Then make use of public transport. Instead of using your cars and all the vehicles, use buses and trains. So there will be less use of cars or any vehicles. Yes. Then service your vehicles regularly. If you service it, then it won't release all this dirty smoke. Yes. These are the preventive measures we can take to stop the air pollution. Plant more trees, avoid bursting firecrackers, make more use of public transport and service your vehicles regularly. Yes. Factories and power plants should be set up far. So all these factories should be far away from the residential area. Residential area is where we stay, or where our houses are built. The factories should not be over there. They should be away from the city. Yes. So then there will be less air pollution if the factories are set up away from the residential area, that is houses where we stay. Then there will be less pollution. We will not get affected by all this dirty air. Yes. So did everyone understood this part? Anybody has any question? Yes, Kyra?
मैम सारी फैक्ट्री में से धुआं आता है.
Yes, bacha. Most of the factories they release smoke. Yes. Yes, Shivansh.
मैम रात को ना ट्रीज ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ के ऑक्सीजन ले लेते हैं.
Yes, रात को ऐसा होता है, बट डे टाइम वो लोग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. लेकिन रात को वो भी हमारी तरह ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की तरह व्हाट डू? दे टेक इन ऑक्सीजन एंड दे गिव आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. यस, वेरी गुड. यस, वियोना.
मैम मेरी डैडी के फैक्ट्री में से धुआं नहीं निकलता.
ओके, किस चीज की फैक्ट्री है उनकी? ओके. कृषिव.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Krisha, ask your wife. She's able to wait 1 second. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, children, did you all understand? Yes, Nevi?
Ma'am, now what will we do?
Now I will tell you. So, but did you all understand how the air is polluted and what we should do to avoid all this air pollution, to save ourselves from air pollution? Yes? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, children. Okay, Krishiv, can you stay back after everybody leaves? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,